Welcome to the Financial Chance, guys. Been kind of busy. I've been on my other TikTok and this TikTok and YouTube and that YouTube. So I haven't really had the chance to really do anything. Thank you guys for being here again. I'm going to talk about the 3 stocks or even 4 that I am watching for this month, as well as market direction, because we are in some crazy times where we could potentially be peaking soon. I want to keep you guys updated, but the top stocks that I am watching, let's get right into it. If you find any value in this, if you guys watched the prior video, today's drop, well, actually, I might publish this video at a later date. So the drop on May 10th, you would have known if you watched the prior YouTube video. We said that there was a bearish RSI divergence and we were near the top of a trend line. So a reset to the 200 EMA would have 100% been justified, and that's exactly what happened. So let's go right into this and talk about the top stocks to be on watch May and June, because if you are trading equity, it's going to take more time to happen. If you're playing trades, buying into demand or whatsoever, it could potentially happen within the next few weeks or even tomorrow, next week, or whatever the case might be. Because remember, investing, trading, 2 separate things and 2 different game plans. So whenever I tell you guys these specific levels, make sure you guys know how you guys are planning to play it, because everyone plays it a different way and you don't know when I'm getting in or out. Not financial advice, but use these levels as reference to help better yourself in trading. So let's get right into it. Let's talk about Tesla. Everyone loves Tesla. As per the Elliott wave count, what I am thinking is potentially a move to this 600 level to complete the count, and from here we should be going up. So let's remove that, and from here I think we should be going up. I'm obviously drawing that. It's not going to go in a straight line. Nothing goes in a straight line, as much as you guys may think. I don't know how many amateur versus intermediate traders there are in this specific channel, but nothing goes straight up. So the levels to watch is if it is able to hold 600, which is a psych level as well as a demand level. Look for a move back up to 653, even prior to any move down. So if it does hit that 600 level, play the rebound. I think there's a great chance that you will have a rebound there, so you could scalp it. If it's not able to hold the 600, but I do think we have a strong chance, I will probably play the rebound. At that level, it's also confluent with the 200 EMA reset, and we're definitely having some sort of RSI reset, as you can see here. If it does hit this 600 level, our RSI will probably be in oversold territory, and potentially see some sort of divergence. So I'm looking at this level. Let's actually set an alert together. I'll probably do 605-ish or whatever I could get, a 604. There we go. Just to make sure that I know, in the case that comes here, I could potentially take a bounce play. However, we all know that the market is very volatile. So let's actually look at the market. Again, if you watched the prior YouTube video, you knew that the market was going to drop today. There was a bunch of RSI divergence. As you can see here, we were at the top of the trend line and we hit resistance, as well as our RSI divergence. And again, in the prior video, we explained what an RSI divergence is and what RSI actually means, because to understand why it's called a divergence is because we're making a higher high, but at the same time, the strength is dying down, in simple terms. And that gives us an idea that even though we're making a higher move, the confidence isn't as much there anymore. So, I do project that we could potentially hit 403, maybe, obviously not at this all at once. It never goes down all at once like that. But I was looking at futures earlier and it seemed like we were probably at this 415 level, but we're probably here. So this is a huge demand area, which if you look at futures now, hopefully it climbs back up, but it seems to, whoa. As you can see here, it just bounced off the 415.4 level. So hopefully this demand level holds and we get a rebound of some sort, maybe to 419 before another leg down if it happens. potentially we completed the prior wave, aiming for A, B, C. Potentially. I don't know, and I'm only gonna play direction. Remember, we're still very news dependent. You have a lot of news that, you know, is coming out. The full reopening, vaccine for children just came out recently. Schools reopening, and yeah, the world's reopening soon. So gotta be on the lookout for that. Feds might stop, you know, providing us the stimulus that we need for the economy to continue growing the way it is. Interest rates, bond yields, everything. War potentially. You know, there's still a lot of factors right now, and it's hard to judge. So it's better off to just scalp rather than swing currently. But anyways, Tesla, like I said, if you could get to 600, look for a potential bounce here. You can scalp it, you know, weeklies, monthly options, or whatsoever. And if you are in equities, obviously the move is going to take a little harder to happen, but it will happen. Pins is another one that I'm watching. If you watched the prior video, love the action today, but it came down with the market. However, we still printed a doji near the trend line, and we need to get above this 200 EMA. If not, we're not going to have a bullish move up. But I am in a position right now. I have over $10,000 in this, I believe. Wish I could show you guys like in the prior videos, but I don't know how to change it to my monitor at the top to show you guys. But again, like I said, transparency always. I hope you guys trust me enough already. If you guys don't trust me, I will show you guys my position. I mean, I posted on my Discord. Oh, actually I could do that. How would I do that? 1, 2, 3. There. Whoa. Here we go. So I posted it here, my position that I took. Come on, load. As you can see, I took 36 contracts. And I added some more when it dropped. Should have sold it because, like I said, I think that it's not too wise to actually swing trades right now, but thank God it's holding, and hopefully we get some sort of catalyst, some news to carry this thing up. Another one I'm looking at, Box. I think this is potentially going to do the whole gap, as you can see here. I think we're gonna fill this whole gap right here. And it's also a high volume node, the 2385 level. Huge volume coming up here. And you know, we topped out at this prior supply level. So as long as we could get above this, I do think we're gonna finish the gap fill, which is a 5% move up. So if you're trading options, that's definitely still a lot of money. So Tesla, Pins, Box, and also Yeti. This might be an earnings play, but earnings plays are always dangerous. However, we also see some sort of RSI divergence right here as we make higher highs, but RSI has lower highs. So be on the lookout. I would think if we do drop, potentially, let me see. If we do drop, I think we can potentially get to, well, my first level would probably be right, hard to say, 1 second. First level will probably be over here, this 8658 level. Then I will aim for down, I would aim for probably down here. And then I doubt it, actually it could come back down all the way down here, but I really doubt it. Actually, we haven't had really a retest of this channel breakout. So we could actually potentially see somewhere down here. So for Yeti, I am actually looking more so for the put side rather than the call side. Tesla, looking at calls probably near the 600 level. What was it? Pins, calls currently already in near this trend line. Stop loss at a prior pivot low, which would probably be right here. Give me a daily close under 5702 and I will get out of this trade. Tesla, we spoke about. Box, This one as well, calls for the gap fill. Further out, the safer you are. Yeti puts, Tesla, market SPY. Hopefully we hold, guys. I'd rather be bullish now because I'm in pins. If not, I've always been preaching bearish. It's funny how once I get out of the freaking trade, it decides to go bearish. Always happens like that, but it is what it is. Thank you guys for tuning in. If you guys find this valuable, please notification, like, comment, subscribe, share this with your friends, share it on Stock Twits, share it on your Discord. I don't care. Have a good one, and thank you guys for tuning in. Bye-bye.